Strategic reading is reading to find information or to answer questions. You read strategically using strategies to understand what you read before, during, and after reading. We have discussed this in the video about reading strategies. Why is strategic reading important? You can't always read everything. Skimming will provide an overview or main points of the text. You focus on key words, bold words, headings and titles. But sometimes this is not enough to get an idea of what the text is about. In that case, you read the first and last sentence of a text for short text, or each paragraph for longer texts. You can watch this video at any time.